Ever heard the word Waqf but never really understood what it means? Or maybe you've seen it in the news and wondered why it's such a big deal? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll break it down in the simplest way possible. By the end, you'll know exactly what Waqf is, how it works, and why it's making headlines right now. So, what does Waqf actually mean? The word comes from Arabic and literally means to stop or to hold. But in practice, it's more like a permanent donation. Think of it this way. If someone owns land or a building, instead of selling it or passing it down to their children, they dedicate it to charity. Once something is declared Waqf, it's locked in forever. No one can sell it, inherit it, or take it back. The whole idea is that it should benefit people for generations to come. Now, if a Waqf property can't be sold or owned by someone who actually looks after it, there are three key players here. 1. The Waqif, who donates the property. The Mawquf alayh, who benefit from it. 3. The Mutawalli, the one responsible for managing the Waqf property. In India, Waqf has been around for centuries. Back in the day, rulers and noble families set aside land and wealth for charity. When the British took over, things got messy. They didn't recognize Waqf the way it had always worked. One of the biggest issues? Family Waqfs, where people donated property but still kept it in the family. The British saw this as a loophole and made it illegal, causing absolute chaos. It wasn't until 1913 that the Mussalman Waqf Validating Act fixed things and made family Waqfs legal again. After independence, the Indian government stepped in to bring some order. The Waqf Act of 1954 and later the Waqf Act of 1955 were introduced to make sure Waqf properties were properly managed and not misused. Fast forward to today, and Waqf properties are handled by state Waqf boards. These boards are responsible for tracking all Waqf lands, buildings, and funds. Every state even has a survey commissioner who officially records Waqf properties in government records. On a national level, the Central Waqf Council, under the Ministry of Minority Affairs, keeps an eye on how these boards are running. In 2013, the government made some big moves to crack down on illegal sales and misuse of Waqf land. And now, with the new Waqf Amendment Bill, the debate is heating up again. Political parties are clashing over what it really means for the future of Waqf in India.